Welcome to CAL Academy. Today we are going to go through the overview of the syllabus which we are planning to cover in this online tutorial. We are going to tackle mathematics, that is our topic, and then we are tackling mathematics as per the next syllabus, which is suitable for certificate in electro and electronic, can also be suitable for certificate in automotive technology, and then can also fit with certificate in welding and fabrication, and can also be fit in certificate in mechanical engineering. That is what we are going to cover today. So before we proceed to cover what we are going to cover, first of all, let's look at the syllabus layout of what we are going to cover. So the syllabus layout of what we are going to cover. So here we are talking of which topics are we supposed to cover for you as a student to be able to pass the next exam as per your course. So as per your course, the first thing we are going to do is that we have to highlight the topics which we are going to cover. So the first topic is fraction. It's topic number 1. Then we have topic number 2, matrix, and so forth. You have so many other topics, numbers. Then we have statistics. So you have to cover these topics systematically to ensure that what we cover you get to understand them very well. So let's start with the fractions. Let's first of all define what is a fraction. Any number presented in a numerator and a denominator, where 5 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator, we call this number a fraction. Then we have types of fraction now, and the type of fraction, we have type of fraction, types of fractions. This is something I've been covered since the primary high school, so not let it scare you. So first of all, we have proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction whereby the numerator is lesser than the denominator. We call that a proper fraction. Number 2, we have improper fraction. And in improper fraction, we will find that in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. And the third one, we have a mixed fraction. And where do we get the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, we get them from improper fraction, whereby you cannot have 9 over 5. In layman, they were telling us that you cannot take an aged person to be divided by a young one. That's the concept, and to make the concept sing very well is that to ensure that the numerator should be always less than the denominator. So you tell me that this one should be 1 and 4 over 5. So this is now a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a fraction part. So we call this one mixed fraction. That's why we call it mixed fraction. Call it mixed fraction. Call it mixed fraction. So I think up to then you can now differentiate between types of fraction what we have covered. We have covered at least two of them. We've covered at least two of them. The other types of fraction, which take time and go and check them. Then after you have known the types of fraction, now the next part you're going to do is now operation on fractions. Here we are talking of, and how many operations do we have? We have 4 operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Sometimes these operations are arranged in what we call BODMAS, or some call it PEDMAS. So go check this one as your assignment. Then you have bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So this one will really help us in tackling questions related to fraction. Example 1. 2/5 plus 4/8 plus a third. So first of all, here you have to reduce it for year 1, for year 2, so you'll get that it is 2/5 plus half plus 1/3. So first of all, look at the LCM, and the LCM is lowest common multiple. Which number is the lowest number that 5, 2, and 3 can enter? At the LCM of these numbers, and the LCM here is 30. The lowest common multiple between this one is 30. Why? Because all of these are prime numbers. So 5 enters into 30 how many times? In other terms, you take 30 divided by 5 times the numerator. So it will be 6. 6 divided by times 2, you get here it is 12. So 30 divided by 5, you get 6. 6 times 2 here, 6 times 2. Now 6 times 2, this one, you get 12. Now 2 into 30, it is 15. 15 times 1, get it is plus 15, plus 3 here enters into 10. So in front it is 27 out of 30. 3 here 9, 3 here 10. So our answer is 9 out of 10. That is our operation.